morning sun is shining bright. Little paws are full of light. Whiskers twitch, the world awaits. Adventure calls beyond the gates. Step by step the journey starts. Dreams are glowing in our hearts. Every meow and every cheer tells us magic's waiting here. It's a perfect day. Above we go, spinning round the rides, hearts aglow, laughing through the clouds, tails in the air. The world feels brighter everywhere. It's a perfect day. We chase the sun, together we play till the day is done. Hold my paw, don't drift away. Let's make this a perfect day. Candy skies and carousel tunes, dreams that float like bright balloons. Every turn a joy to share, pause in motion, love everywhere. When the stars begin to shine, we remember this moment in time. Every sparkle, every light will guide our hearts tonight. It's a perfect day. Our hearts will soar from dawn to dusk. We'll laugh once more through every ride, through every play. Together we'll find our way. It's a perfect day, forever true. The sky is wide to dreams brand new. Hold my paw and softly say, this will always be